In this video, you'll learn how to add a new contact in Calendly. By following these steps, you will successfully store contact information for future reference. Begin by navigating to the contact section located in the left sidebar of your Calendly dashboard. This section is typically represented by an icon or labeled clearly as contacts. Once you are in the contacts area, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled plus new contact. Click this button to initiate the process of adding a new contact. After clicking plus new contact, a form will appear, prompting you to enter specific details about the contact. First, input the contact's name in the designated field. Next, move to the email address field where you will enter the contact's email. This information is crucial for sending invitations or scheduling events in the future. Ensure the email is entered correctly to avoid any communication issues. If desired, you could also add optional notes or the company name in the provided fields. This information can help you keep track of important details about the contact and is especially useful for organizing your contacts effectively. After filling in the required information, look for the Save button typically located at the bottom of the form. Click the Save button to store the new contact in your Calendly contacts list. You should see a brief confirmation message indicating that the contact has been successfully added. Now that your contact is stored, you can easily access it for scheduling or communication purposes in the future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.